Yeah, our pocket money is having a tough time surviving the month, special thanks to the inflation situation. We need some extra cash to satisfy those midnight food cravings and order clothes and shoes online. And I guess we are all at this point in our lives where we don't want to bother our parents with these petty wants. We want to earn what we spend, but let's admit it, the quarantine situation has made us lazy. Wait, we were lazy before the lockdown too. Well, then I guess I'll just have to tweak my statement to we are now successfully lazy ultra pro max. So going out to search for a job and then going to the job every day in a no for us Zoomers. But is that something that can force us to cut on our spendings? I think not. We can still make money without stepping foot outside of homes. Do you have any idea how? No, I'm not indicating that you start selling your furniture and younger siblings on OLX. You can make money through the internet. Making money online. What a deep cray. I bet he wouldn't notice if I sneak out of this video. If you are proclaiming any of these titles to me, I suggest you take a break, because in this video I will prove how you can make money online in 2022, or at least the 5 ways that worked for me. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Petko Alexandrov and I am super happy to have you guys on the other side of the camera. So whenever I bring up the topic of making money online in 2022, people have weird expectations. They make all sorts of strange faces and ask me, can you actually make money online? Answer me this, is there anything you can't do online nowadays? Come on you guys, it's freaking 2022. From doing groceries to hiring house help, shopping and even attending school, there isn't much that the internet can't provide. So then why can't we earn through the internet? The next concern they show us, is it easy to make money online? So I have another question in response to their question. What is the one thing you have been doing the entire pandemic period? Using the internet, right? If you can use it for recreational purposes, there is no excuse that you can't use it to make some money. But how can we make money online? Now that is a mindful question. There are literally thousands of ways through which you can earn online. You could publish a book, start a blog, become an Instagram influencer, test websites, make service, and the list is never ending. Here are the 5 savvy ways to make money online in 2022. Crypto. You must have heard of all sorts of success stories, people making billions from their crypto investments, and yes, you can become, if not a billionaire, at least a 1000-year through crypto trading, if that's even a thing. Now, earning through crypto doesn't mean you have to sell a kidney to invest in the most expensive currency, Bitcoin. There are many cheaper options with high returns and comparatively lesser risks. Take Ethereum for example. It is pretty cheaper than Bitcoin, but then the price had doubled so many times in the last few years, earning huge profits for the investors. Other than that, you can invest in Stellar, Polygon, Litecoin, Solana, Tezos and many others. You can check out my crypto investments in the description below. But how can you earn physical cash through crypto? Because we know that the digital money stored in our phones ain't gonna be paying our bills. There are 3 main strategies to making money via crypto. Invest. If you have the money to invest, you can purchase crypto assets. As volatile as crypto might seem in the short term, they are highly profitable in the long run. But what to do with those assets? Quick answer, you buy them and you hold them. How long? Until you are happy with the results. Number 2, trade. You buy crypto, hold them, and sell them quickly on a higher price. The volatile nature of crypto would greatly benefit you in this case by helping you earn a considerable profit. Number 3, lending. But if FOMO is striking you that you would lose all your crypto investment by selling crypto, you can lend it. How would that benefit you? Just like lending physical money does. You lend it to potential borrowers and get interest payment or crypto dividends. And that is nothing hard because exchanges like Binance and Crypto.com do it for you. Even though cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, like digital payments are the future of payment, they have their risks. They are unpredictable and the majority of them are high risks. And they necessitate subject knowledge and skill sets. So if you don't want to undergo such anxiety at the beginning of your online career, explore other options from this list, like affiliate marketing. Do you like giving shopping advice to friends and family? Well, guess what? There are gazillions of people out there who need your advice and are ready to pay you for it. Online sales were recorded higher than ever during the pandemic because, well, we were pretty paranoid about the whole situation. Last year alone, 1.79 billion people bought something off the internet, and 88% of this population sought the help of social media to research the products before purchasing and seeking professional advice. Companies like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and Alibaba partnered with people who can market their products on various social media platforms. You can promote their products on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or even your blog on Google. But the main question, how will they pay you? Once you register as an affiliate, they will give you links to share. You get commission whenever someone uses your referral link to purchase an item. Number 3, do what you do best, social media management. One thing that the pandemic made us all learn was how to stay updated on social media. Guess what? You can do the same for others and earn from it. Companies started selling 74% more through their online stores than their physical stores from March 2019 to March 2020, and they couldn't have done so if they hadn't maintained their social media presence, and they couldn't have held their social media presence if it weren't for social media managers. Nowadays, 70% of small to mid-sized businesses invest in building their social media presence, and apparently planning social media content for businesses, uploading posts on their profiles and keeping the audience engaged through stories can help you earn 71,220. At least it allows the average US social media manager to make this much. And number 4, start a YouTube channel. Come on, think, there must be something that you like doing. Cooking, sports, babysitting, traveling, anything. Once you have figured that out, you can sign up to YouTube as a content creator and upload videos. The process requires zero investment, but you will have to invest a little in video production equipment. On every 1,000 views that your video gets, YouTube will pay you $5 approximately. You can double that income by playing ads on your videos and utilizing video sponsorships to make some extra money. People ask me to give them an idea of what niche to select when starting their YouTube channel. I ask them to go with their hearts, so that if their channel doesn't take off, I wouldn't be the one to blame. But honestly speaking, people just want something to watch. Be it how to open a door or how to drink water. People will watch anything as long as it is engaging.
Inhale, exhale.
and these how-to videos and comedy videos are massive hit among the audience. Just saying. Number 5. Freelancing. You must have heard of the phrase be your own boss. Well, turns out you can become your own boss at zero cost. Unlike corporate jobs with tons of requirements and imposing tons of restrictions on employees, freelancing is a flexible option. What's that? You are unaware of the nuts and bolts of freelancing? Here is the deal. You don't need to know anything about it. You can start making money online in 2022 by working as a freelancer by setting up a gig, aka finding a field of your interest, signing up to a freelancing platform like Upwork and Fiverr, setting up your profile. After that, you can start bidding on job offers and focus on image building so that customers can reach you. Once you get projects, you work and get paid. It's that easy. But does it freelancing pay off? Of course it does. Professional freelancers earn $20 on average every hour. For example, there is the freelancer Alexandra Fasulo who makes multiple six figures solely through freelancing. So if she can do it, why can't you? Various online platforms offer a plethora of online earning opportunities. Take Fiverr, for example. It provides a platform for freelancers to connect with buyers and offer their freelance services with them in exchange for, well, money. Now, many people offer various professional services through these professional platforms, like putting their habit of pointing out the grammatical errors in people's speeches to the use by becoming a proofreader, for example. However, some even offer professional yet weird and funny services. Here is one, for example. I will send a gift to your Chinese friend in China. Or I will record a funny happy birthday video for you. Oh, wait, here's another one. I will bring your ex back. You got the idea, right? So if you have nothing left to do, you know you can always throw a bottle into the sea on behalf of someone and money off of it. So what method of making money online in 2022 are you opting for? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, just smash the like button. Make sure to stay positive and take care. Not really sure if positive is a positive word nowadays.